Hey, what's up guys? Back again with another review. Today I will be reviewing the Tevise automatic watches. So the main reason why I wanted to get these watches was because I want to start getting into automatic movement watches. And most of the watches that I stumbled upon online, they were pretty highly priced until I came across these ones. I saw these ones on eBay for about $25 each, free shipping. So I decided to get them. So let's go ahead and go right into it. So the first watch that I ordered was the black on black automatic watch, and the second one is the silver on black automatic watch. So get a little closer so you guys can see them. So I've had these watches for about a year, and so far I've been highly impressed with them. For the price, I thought I was going to get very bad quality, but fortunately they've been holding up pretty well, and I get plenty of compliments every time someone sees them, because they're kind of like a Rolex look-alike. They have like the same Rolex type of model to it, but obviously for not the price. But they're both very good looking watches. The bands are nicely polished all around. Single clasp opening. Kind of scratched up a little bit already because I have worn them quite a bit, a couple times. There's the black one there. Let me show you guys the silver one now. The black face on both of the watches have a nice shine and gloss to them. That's another feature that I really like about these watches. And the bezel actually does rotate. I thought for the price that I was paying, I thought the bezel was going to be just for aesthetics, but it actually does rotate all the way around. So that's nice to have. Band on this one is also polished. Okay, so let me put them on so you guys can see how they look on my wrists. So here's the black one.
Are you kidding? I've seen him squint. He can squint his way down to like 20/30 vision. Once we were driving down from the Catskills and he lost his glasses, he squinted his way from Woodsboro down to Tappan Zee Bridge.
And let me put on the silver one. And to adjust both of them, they're very simple. All you really need is a tool to take out the pins, such as this one. So it's very simple. You just take them out and replace the bands depending on the size of your wrist. But yeah guys, so far I've been extremely satisfied with both of these watches. For the price that you're paying very good amount of value. So yeah, check them out on eBay, Amazon, Gearbest. That's where you'll find them for the cheapest price. Like I said, each one costs about $25 each, free shipping. So I got both of these for less than 50 bucks, and so far they've been holding up pretty well. So yeah guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will see you next time.